Have you ever looked at that jar of golden, sweet liquid in your pantry and wondered what's really inside? Honey isn't just a simple sweetener. It's a treasure trove of history, health, and flavor that dates back thousands of years. After watching this video, you will discover the real reason this golden liquid is famous in the entire world for more than 3,000 years. From ancient Egyptian tombs to Stone Age cave paintings, humanity has been fascinated by honey for millennia. But how exactly is this liquid gold made? It all starts with a tiny, busy worker, the honeybee. Bees fly from flower to flower, collecting a sugary nectar. Back at the hive, they pass this nectar from bee to bee, a process that gradually reduces its water content and adds special enzymes from their bodies. This incredible teamwork transforms the nectar into the thick, sweet honey we know and love. They store it in a honeycomb and fan it with their wings to help it evaporate and thicken. Here's a mind-blowing fact. A single bee produces only about 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its entire lifetime. It takes a whole colony working together just to fill one jar. Beyond its delicious taste, honey is packed with nutritional benefits. It's a natural source of carbohydrates, giving you a quick and clean energy boost. But it's not just sugar. Honey contains a wealth of antioxidants, like flavonoids and phenolic acids. These powerful compounds help protect your body from cell damage caused by free radicals, which contribute to aging and chronic diseases. Honey also has impressive antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a powerful ally for your immune system. If you consume honey regularly, you might just find yourself getting sick less often and feeling more energetic throughout the day. For centuries, people have used honey as a natural remedy. Got a sore throat or a pesky cough? A spoonful of honey or a warm drink with honey and lemon can provide amazing relief. Its thick consistency coats the throat, while its natural antibacterial properties help fight off germs. And if you have trouble sleeping, try a teaspoon of honey before bed. It can help your brain release melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to rest. It also helps keep your liver full of glycogen, preventing your brain from waking you up in the middle of the night looking for fuel. So, how can you get more of this amazing superfood into your diet? The possibilities are endless. Drizzle it over your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Use it as a natural sweetener in your tea or coffee. Spread it on toast for a classic, comforting snack. You can even use it in your cooking. Honey adds a wonderful depth of flavor to salad dressings, marinades for chicken or fish, and glazes for roasted vegetables. For a simple, health-boosting drink, just mix a spoonful of raw honey into a glass of warm water and have it first thing in the morning. This can help kickstart your metabolism and hydrate your system. Now, for all the men watching who want to tap into their inner strength, to be that real man, you'll find this interesting. Some ancient cultures believed honey could boost vitality and stamina. So next time you're heading to the gym, maybe skip the processed energy drinks and try a spoonful of honey instead. You might just feel a little more powerful. It's an all-natural boost from Mother Nature herself. Ultimately, the food we choose to eat every day has a profound impact on our well-being. By understanding the incredible benefits of simple, natural foods like honey, we empower ourselves to build healthier and happier lives. Here on our channel, we're dedicated to exploring the everyday foods that can transform your health. We believe that knowledge is the first step towards a better you. If you found this journey into the world of honey as fascinating as we did, we invite you to join our community. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on living a healthier, more vibrant life. Thank you for watching.